Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Thursday. It is August 10th of 2023, and I want to start off by inviting you to please subscribe to our channel. I really look forward to reading your comments, hearing as you share your experience, and look forward to having you with us. I also would appreciate it if you appreciate my videos, if you would please give this one a thumbs up, because that really helps us as well. Today I'm in a new location. I'm trying something different, and hopefully it'll work out a little bit better than where I have been. I'm on a rooftop garden here, and it's a little bit of a cloudy day, but I don't think it's supposed to rain while I'm out here. I want to start off really quickly by clarifying a little bit of what I was talking about yesterday with the donkeys in Santorini. I did not do a good job with that. So here we go. First of all, I want to clarify, I would not ride a donkey to the top of Santorini. I wouldn't ride one anywhere, quite frankly. And I don't think that it's right that they do that. I was just sharing with you the history of what they do. Truly, AIDA passing out those flyers to everyone on their cruise ships that call there in the port of Santorini. That is the first time that I have heard of a cruise line actually passing out the flyers to notify everyone about the situation and suggest that they not do that. So I wanted to make sure you know that, and I would not do that. I've had a few thoughts as I've thought about this a lot from when I read the first story, and a couple of you were nice to send me some more stories. If I think it would be really nice if they move those donkeys to a good place for donkeys where they wouldn't have to do that anymore, and really clean up that walkway, so that it would be a really nice way for people to walk up that incline to get to the top of the hill there, which is where everything is. When you're on the island there, you get right up to the top, and then you're where you can take a taxi and go see things on the island, as well as visit the town if you're right there that's at the top of it. I think it would be great if that was an option. That cable car, of course, is going. It is €6 each. Yesterday, I apologize, I was wrong when I said that it was complimentary. In my mind, I was thinking, oh, I've never had to pay for that. It's because every time we have used it, it has been part of an excursion. So when you're on a cruise ship, you either take the tender over, and there they are required to use the boats and the ships of people who are locals there, which I totally love. It helps them earn some money, and they're the nicest people. You either take the tender, and they'll take you right over there so that you're at the base of that cliff, and you can get up whichever way you choose. Or if you're on an excursion, they will take you on a tender, especially if you're on one that you're going to be using a bus. They'll take you to a slightly different location just down from the other place, and you'll get on a bus and go up from there. So wanted to let you know about that, let you know that I don't think that's right. Another fun thing that I thought is maybe that every once in a while they could have a couple of donkeys there, since that is such an important part of the history there on Santorini, and let people get their picture with a donkey if they would like to. I thought that would be fun, and it would be a good way for people to be able to earn money there as well. So I'm throwing that out there. Let me know what you think as well. But I apologize if I seemed like I would ride the donkey to the top, or like I thought it was a good idea, because I don't. Alrighty. Also, another quick update for you. We have got those fires in Maui. I've been thinking about those people a lot, and surely I hope that you'll join me in keeping them in your thoughts and prayers, and however you send things like that. But it sounds like they are diverting the cruise ships who are supposed to go there to Maui to Kona instead. I've heard from people on the Emerald Princess, and that's where they're going. So let me know how it goes when you get to Kona, if they've got more excursions going, anything at all like that, that would help anyone who is going to be calling there soon, because I think it's going to be quite a while before cruise ships are able to call in Maui there again, because of the destruction. And it seems really petty to be worrying about cruise ships calling there in the midst of what those dear people face with the destruction. So like I said, they're in our thoughts and prayers. Wanted to bring you up to date on that. Another quick update for you is we've got in Panama Canal. If you are not familiar, in the Panama Canal, that whole region is suffering from a drought. As they suffer from the drought there, the water level in the canal is indeed down an awful lot, and they have made some changes to how which ships can go through based on how much draft they have through the water. So far, I have not heard of any cruise ships being affected by this yet. of course, will be listening, and hopefully that region will receive a lot of rain because they need it, not only so that they can keep the shipping going strong through the Panama Canal, but also for everything else they need water for there. Now, the Rhapsody of the Seas, which is a Royal Caribbean ship, has just announced that on their 2023-2024, that winter season when they do their Panama Canal sailings, they are still going to depart from Cologne, Panama, but they are no longer going to go through the Panama Canal. They are replacing it with some other itineraries. So I wanted to make sure that you are aware of that. With their announcement, they didn't give a reason, so we don't necessarily know that it's because of the drought in that area, but I wanted to make sure that everybody is up to date on that, and I will keep you up to date as that happens. I remember when they changed some of the requirements for the ships going through, I let you know about it, and I sure will keep my eye. Now this is big, you guys. The shipping for the Medallion, alrighty, we're used to it being $10, and it was included if you have the Plus package or the Premier package. Well, someone commented and said that they were charged $7 for the shipping of the Medallion. Well, that led me to look, and I cannot find anywhere where they talk about charging $7 for shipping the Medallion. But when I was looking at princess.com, you just go to the main website there, and one of the things you can choose from is onboard our ships. So you click on that, and then underneath it where it says beverage packages and drinks, that takes you to the page that lists out what is included in the Plus beverage package and the Premier beverage package. Scroll down a little bit more, and then it has a place where you can click for more information on the Plus package and the Premier package. Be really clear, the Plus package and the Premier package are different than the Plus and the Premier beverage packages. But when you go to that, it'll take you to a list, and you know what? Medallion Shipping is not on the list anymore, and it used to be on the list. So I'm wondering, are we going to see more big changes from Princess? Some additional charges with that Medallion Shipping? I don't know, so let me know if you do that. I am very specifically, when we go on our cruise in the middle of September, not getting a package, and I'm not paying for Medallion Shipping because I want to know what it's like to go through the Blue Lane. So I'll take you through the Blue Lane with me, and you'll be able to see everything that happens with that. The other thing that I wanted to let you know about really fast is Alaska. So you might be aware, as I talked to you about it the other day, the flooding that they have had in Juneau because of heavy, they had a glacial dam burst, and so all that water ran down. So there was flooding at the Mendenhall Lake and at the Mendenhall River. I just wanted to let you know that one of our Let's Go family members was in Juneau yesterday, Wednesday. He said it poured, so that can't be helping with the flooding. But they're still running the excursions as normal, but some of the hiking trails out there by the Mendenhall Glacier are not usable. So they're either underwater or else they've been ruined to the point they can't do them. And then along with that, yesterday when he was in port, there were 3 Princess ships. There was the Crown Princess, the Discovery Princess, and the Grand Princess, and then also Holland America's Noordam and Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. So wanted to let you know. And then today in Skagway, the Crown Princess is indeed going to have to, the passengers there are going to have to tender into port. So I hope that you appreciate those updates. And then finally, the last thing I need to tell you is routers on cruise ships. So over on our Facebook page, this question was asked, how to do this. And then also it came up on our live one time, people saying that there is a way to kind of scam the system, that when you get on board, you pay for one device and then you use your router, which kind of sounds to me like kind of a hotspot. And then you use it so that you can hook up more devices to the Wi-Fi without paying for it. I just wanted to weigh in and let you know that it's stealing. If you cannot afford to pay for 4 packages on the cruise ship, then pay for 1 or whatever you can afford and make it work. But I just wanted to put that out there. I don't think that that's honest. I think it's just stealing. I know we can't steal, okay? So I wanted to put that out there. It's easier than me. I'm trying to put a comment on Facebook and hoping that everyone sees it. So I really appreciate you all being here with me. I hope you have a great day. Share all of your thoughts on everything we've talked about today in the comments, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.